boy Stanley Ipkiss from Drunk Food Network, and today I'm just gonna have a good feast here. The comfort from the home. Not a mukbang. I really don't call it that. Just eat. Maybe some ribs, a couple other items. Tune in, y'all. Crock pot. Alright, so I'm gonna take it back a little bit. I haven't been on the show in a while. Right, what is that? What is that? You will see. So I need some corn on the cob right here. Y'all just seen the little smothering, blurry thing in the camera. That's what we're gonna eat along with some sweet corn on the cob. What's crazy is too, I also got some potato salads. Y'all ready? It's your boy Stanley Ipkiss too. Don't forget, I forgot. Welcome to Drunk Food Network, and today we just go eat. I'm messing with it. I'm for real though. That's some rib stuff. I'll be right back. Calm down. It's straight out the crock pot, y'all. Look at this. This here. Alright, I'm gonna sit this here. Nice big juicy rib. It's raining too. One time. So I like to record. Just have normal fun. I ain't gotta do no special edits. Y'all don't make burn. Ah shit. Where the mints at?
I don't know, baby. Hanging on the
Can
wall.
you move the roast
you?
beef up? Well, no, you no. Say where you at. I forgot. No, it's not. I'm gonna burn. It's time about trying to kill it. Not you. So you'll make it loud.
He do be trying to kill me.
Alright, let me raise this back up, y'all. Keep looking at the red. You look at me. Alright, corn on the cob next.
On the cob.
I'm gonna try to clean this out of you up.
Yeah.
Corn on the cob. What you gonna do with that? You gonna fuck with it or what? Nah, I'm messing with you. Nah, but this is going down to. Damn. I'm sorry. I bounced the juice up. Oh shit. You make me blow my half. I'm being tacky, I'm sorry. I'm gonna let the water flow. Potato salad. Yes.
Oh. You got my
Potato salad. That goes there too. See, my show I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in the middle, but I gotta do a presentation. So you may even mix the barbecue sauce in there. You fucking this nigga. I don't know. Gotta have utensils. Got a spoon, plastic, original forks, a knife. No. Alright. Look, y'all. Just a platter. Give me a kiss while I hold it. I think that's a real kiss.
My
This
glasses.
generation messed up. Saw some glass. You better get some bifocals, man. You might see me close. Now, besides that, make sure I hit that subscribe. Hit that bell. Y'all still lying. I only got like 6 subscribers. Sit the damn. Nah, but hit that subscribe and notification, y'all. These the ribs, potato salad, corn on the knob, cob. You ready to go get to it? That's that red, look. It's flavorful. I marinate the rib too. I crock pot it. What happens is when you crock pot a rib is it falls off the bone. When I picked that rib up, it fell off like. And I probably like, oh, you want some lame shit? Nah, you just gotta learn how to cook like this. I'm taking y'all girls to Mickey D's all day. So my baby, you want some Mickey D's? Yeah, you know they're gonna say yeah. A real one gonna be like, babe, make some in the house. We got a whole rib and put it together. When you get shit like this. It's good, ain't it? When you watch how I eat right this, it's gonna make you want some. You gotta keep it real. Damn. It melts in your mouth.
That's good.
And the potato salad. Come on now. Now I'm being messy. Sorry. I had to get a towel, a napkin. Ouch. You gonna make me fuck the shit up. Sorry. Watch us eat. Fuck this shit. This do make you hungry. You know, man, all that shit up. So I got. I think it looks good. Give me some ribs. Alright. Miscommunication. Alright, but y'all see what we had. We got the ribs, so we here with it. Corn on the cob. Come on now. It's your boy Ed. Should I hit that bell? Give me some chairs.
You want a sword fight?
No, I'm not about to fight you. Look. Oh, missing the butter. Gotta get butter. Hold on. So, ladies, I just drag it on top. Now, about to be neat. Some butter. Nah, fuck that plate. That's just like butter him up. Some butter on it. That's corn on cob. There we go. Well, besides that, this is pretty good. It didn't take long to make. I put this rib in the crock pot.
Put this on that
'Cause
plate.
our oven is fucked up. If somebody could donate, maybe help with the oven, it'd be nice. What was that? That's a piece of weird piece I just ate. That really was. I had a rib in a long time. It feels good to have a rib. But I wonder about all the people that been trying new food. Like, what do y'all like the most? A lot of people be duplicating coffee. I ain't been making no new videos because I don't like making the same shit. I'm gonna keep doing making hamburgers. If you look at my channel, you notice there ain't none that's the same. Everything gotta be new. Give me a new idea. Let me make it. I'm gonna make it better. Potato salad is addictive. Get away from me while I'm eating it. Alright, this is how it tastes. It's so good, like, get the fuck away from me while I'm eating this, okay? Don't talk to me. Enjoy my shit. Shit real. Come as a potato salad. See how she fucking that corn. Well, that's the corn. She like the potatoes. I also make some beans too, but I'm kind of glad that. Alright, so what y'all think about that Deadpool movie? You like Deadpool?
I never watched it.
Yes, you did. Stop lying. You lying on this channel? Don't be cap on her, okay?
No worry.
I'm trying to talk to you so we get the shit together. And you
Dude,
lying
I'm
like
serious.
that? No, you're not.
Never seen it.
Just sit there and sit your ass watch.
No, you haven't.
Alright.
No, you haven't.
Mm-hmm. You wanna watch Deadpool?
No, I haven't.
I'm a Deadpool nice, yeah. We got Wolverine in there. Hugh Jackman too. Let's go. Original character. I hate when they be switching characters. Like, keep the same person in there. Yeah, he might get older, so what? I know I do the special effects and shit. You gotta keep the originals in there, bro. Damn, this thing is great.
Mm-hmm.
Evie was, she fucked this up. She was there. She gave me that thumb like. I remember that pot works before. I ain't expected this. Oh, yeah, you got some more? Every kid got their most lovable meal. They always gonna remember that meal. Yeah, that's that shit. That's that. I couldn't wait till my pops used to make that chicken and green.
That's this for me. That's this for
I'm
me.
not about you to have it. I might take
No,
two.
I'm saying that's that meal.
Mm-hmm.
This right here. It's potato salad.
How you supposed to eat, man? Shout out to the people that cook at home like this. Sit down.
I am sitting down.
What you in a rush for? Man, I gotta go to Arby's. Man, fuck Arby's. Fuck Wendy's. Fuck McDonald's. Fuck Burger King. Fuck all that shit. You eat here. Home. Hear me? We head.
Did you put butter on that one?
Yes, I put butter on it. Hope the birds don't fly her. A bird fly her and land on the plate. Hey, wait. I got some bread later. Yeah, heat your red there. I'm gonna have to do that. How you wanna eat that damn potato salad? I can't eat all of that. It's in the top. Killing it. Almost done. It's so soft and when you bite into it, it melts in your mouth. Like wow, this can't be true. Like they cut a lot of shit out of this video. Damn. Can't believe I said did this. I usually don't do videos like this. Hey, if you got that red in your freezer and your stove not working or some shit, what you gonna do? Like, say if you got, right, when it comes to home appliances, your stove fucked up, you got a frying pan, you got a crock pot. What choice you gonna do when it comes to that red? Like, what's way you gonna make it if your stove not working? You ain't got enough for the grill. You got two other options. You got the frying skillet, and you got the crock pot. Which one would you do? The crock pot or the frying skillet? You want it to fall off the bone, or you want to be hard as a damn bone? What I'm basically saying. I don't know how I see you and I'm looking at the camera. Yeah, but you want it to be right. Eat that red. Always is red.
I am.
Let me go feed the homeless. A lot of people hungry. That fucked that motherfucker up. I'm trying to eat. That's why I set up, man. Oh my God, it came from Jay Hardy's. Not that this meat is good. You know better than this. We just ate a red. I did. She didn't eat hers. She ate the fucking potato salad.
It was delicious. It was good. Rib was good too,
We
but
still have corn left. We still have potato salad. Yeah, just ate a red, some potato salad, some corn, as y'all can see. Remember? I just ate a red, some corn, some potato salad. Okay. Hopefully y'all subscribe one day. Still waiting. I ain't seen subscribe in a long time. Did somebody just click the button? Need smoke too. They fucking me up. Y'all go click the button. We just ate a red, some potato salad, and some corn. It was good.
it was real good.
You ain't eat the red. Shut up.
It was good.
This, look. That's a big red. I ate one like this. You ain't see? Click the button, please, y'all. Click the button. Get a bigger bite. No, open your mouth wide for anything else. Bite it right. Don't pick through the meat.
How are you gonna yell at me about how I eat?
No, I'll eat it for you.
How are you gonna eat it for me?
Oh, fuck that. Open up.
No, it's a lot of fat. I don't want to eat the fat.
It's not fat.
That's why I'm picking through it.
I get the meat part. Here you go. Give me a kiss first. There you go. Alright, y'all. Pretty good. Alright. It's time to wrap it up. Appreciate everybody that tuned in to Drunk Food Network. And,
Where's my fork at, baby?
thanks for everybody that's tuned in, and let's see y'all next time. Might come back with some peanut butter and jelly or something.
Oh yeah.
Nah, that just sound like some pervert shit. Might come in the motherfucker with no peanut butter jelly. Look at her. I ain't gonna do that. Nah, y'all, but for real though. I noticed I got my haircut too. Still up though. Y'all subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We have potato salad, corn, ribs. Alright, peace of love, y'all. One.